demonstrative and interrogative pronouns.
Hi, my name is Honor. I'm at a mall. This is my first time at the mall. I'm Honor's friend Maya. I'm going to show Honor around the mall. This is the mall. There are many shops here. This is the biggest shop in the mall. I want to go there. That is the biggest shop. When something is far away from us, we use the pronoun that. Oh yes, I remember. This is a toy shop. I'm going to buy some wooden toys. That is a supermarket. I have to buy some things from there as well. And this is the shop we will go to first. These are stuffed toys. Children and adults love to hug these toys. I want to buy that cars. They look great. Those cars look great. Of course, the cars are far away from me and there are many. I should use those for many objects that are far away from me. Yes, we can buy these stuffed toys and those cars. Yes, we should also look for wooden toys. Do you think the wooden toys could be on that shelf or in those boxes under the shelf? I used that to talk about a shelf and those to talk about many boxes. Let's go check for your toys. This is the shop I was looking for. I want to buy a pair of pants. Which shelf has the trousers? Do you think this pair of pants will fit my brother Onir? I think these pants are perfect for him. What else do you want to buy? Who is in charge of the cash counter? I want to buy this.
Which one are you buying?
Thank you. Whom do I contact if I need to return this?
You can bring it back to the store. We will be glad to assist you.
What do we do next? Let's go to the game zone now.
We use demonstrative pronouns to talk about objects. When there is a single object and it is near us, we use this. For example, this is the biggest shop in the mall. When there is more than one object and they are near us, we use these. For example, these are stuffed toys. When there is a single object and it is far away, we use that. For example, that is the biggest shop. When there is more than one object and they are far away from us, we use those. For example, those cars look great. We use interrogative pronouns to ask questions. For example, what else do you want to buy? What do we do next? Who is in charge of the cash counter? Whom do I contact?